Hi everyone. Everyone's been asking what's the difference between altcoins and Bitcoins. Well, I don't know if you saw on the stock market, but Bitcoin skyrockets to 12,000, and I've been letting you guys know that the analysts have been saying that it's definitely on the track for 40,000, and it's just gonna possibly keep going up and up. But that's just, nobody knows for sure. Everything can come down, but Bitcoins, it just looks like people like it so much, this cryptocurrency. But I wanted to just tell you the difference between altcoin and Bitcoin so you can kind of understand the difference and see what's best for you. So altcoin is a cryptocurrency as well, or a virtual currency, and it's an alternative. So in the altcoin operates on different rules. So basically, since it's alternative Bitcoin, they use blockchain technology, so you can do peer-to-peer transactions, and they have different rules. So basically, it works like the original Bitcoin, using a private key. You send a payment from your digital wallet to another user's wallet, because you have to have wallets for Bitcoins. And on my podcast, I told you the wallets on that podcast that explained Bitcoin. So I listed wallets so you guys can understand that. So in a cryptocurrency, there's a blockchain, a recording ledger where the transactions are permanently and publicly recorded. So exchanges can't be altered or denied after the fact. So that's good. And the blockchain is secured by mathematics proofs, which confirms the transactions in the block. So that's very good. You want that. Especially if it's crypto and digital currency, you need a record. So altcoins don't follow the same rules as Bitcoin. So Bitcoin only mines every 10 minutes, but an altcoin called Litecoin produces coins every 2.5 minutes as opposed to Bitcoin's 10 minutes. So Litecoin is able to process payments faster, and it's going to produce 84 million Litecoins, and Bitcoin only will produce 21 million Bitcoins. So Litecoins is more than doubled what Bitcoins will produce. So 84 million, that's a lot. And it has different rules for their mining. Bitcoin requires costly hardware to mine, but Litecoins can be mined with just common computer hardware. So those of you miners that are looking to mine in cryptocurrency, that could be something for you. And it's just one of thousands of Litecoin is just one of thousands of altcoins in the market. There's so many cryptocurrencies now. It's like, whoa. And they are popular, but they don't reach. Bitcoin has approximately 100 billion market cap, probably even higher now, or even projections are higher. So some altcoins that you've heard of and that I've spoken to you about on the stock market. There's Ethereum, ETHEREUM. There's Ripple, RIPPLE. There's Dash, Litecoin, LITECOIN, Neem, NEM, and Monero, MONERO. Okay, so you're like, okay, so what's the difference? Like, why would I like a Litecoin over a Bitcoin? Well, Litecoins, you can have some improvements on Bitcoin's flaws. There's competition and low transaction fees, because Bitcoins has, there's a lot of fees, I told you, buying and selling and storing. So the con is the value is more volatile, and there could be potential for scams and fraud. So that's not exciting to me at all. So how can they improve on Bitcoin's flaws? Well, the altcoins are designed to address a perceived shortcoming from the framework. So like speed, mining costs, and, competition, is always good. And the low transaction fees. So, people might like that more, to have, less fees. You don't want, because that's where you can, just too many fees is not good. All right, so they Litecoins, they're developing new frameworks from messaging applications to online marketplaces. And there are solar coin, and their design is to use exchange between solar power production. And there's Namecoin for a new system of domain names on the internet. Okay, there's other types of altcoins. So I'll just list these real quick. Stable coins, they combat the volatility of cryptocurrency and by tying the value to the underlying index, commodity, or security. And so you're like, what kind of stablecoin? Tether and Libra. And Libra is a stablecoin under Facebook. So Facebook is developing a stablecoin, which like stablecoin is a type of altcoin. Okay, so there's digital tokens, and they function as a digital token supported by underlying blockchain platform. So Tether is a digital token, can be considered a digital token. It's built on Ethereum and other blockchains. So that might be something. But these are all very risky, and virtual currencies trade on unregulated exchanges, which, could be very, leaves an investor vulnerable to, price manipulation, fraud, and other problems. So, so basically altcoins are, if you can't get into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is already at $12,000, some people are looking to altcoins. It's also a form of digital currency or cryptocurrency, and they're very new, and their prices can be very volatile because it's not established as much as the Bitcoin has become established. And so those are just some of the differences. And I thought it'd be really cool to tell you because, Facebook's going to be developing some coins, then maybe some other companies that you know of will be developing Bitcoins. But I know I told you that you can trade them. PayPal's coming that's going to allow you to do that. And I told you your other cash apps that allow you to buy and sell and store your Bitcoins and cryptocurrency. So I hope that helps. There's so much cryptocurrency. It's this brand new thing it's been here. It seems like it's staying. It seems like it's just, Bitcoins are just skyrocketing, and the analysts are saying that it can even go higher, but I would just caution it's very risky. Bitcoins are very pricey right now, but is it pricey if you buy it at 12 and it goes up to 40,000 or 100,000 or 400,000? Some people are saying that. So, but don't listen to anyone. Do your own research. Speak to your licensed financial broker. Always be studying, learning, and seeing what makes sense for you. But this is a risky sector. Obviously, if you can get in early, it always is ideal. That's why we have this channel, so that y'all can be aware of things that are coming and new. And I will be listing some IPOs that are coming out, so y'all can be aware of and save your money. And I put some links below. If you want to get your free stock from Robinhood, do click on the link. You'll get a free stock for just signing up. And you just have to link your bank account, because if you do sell that stock in 1 year, you have to have your bank account there so they can send you the money. You could get a $200 stock with dividends, or you could get it's just a random luck of the draw. But that's the only thing you have to do. You don't have to buy anything. You don't have to sell anything. You're just going to get the one free stock. And if you want to keep it for a year and a day, that's the traditional link that you have to keep it for the lowest capital gains. Hopefully you have a capital gain, but you can sell anytime. But if you sell it and you want your cash, you have to have your bank account on there so they can send it to you, and there's no fees. Robinhood is known as the beginner one. And then if you want, you can also get a free stock for just signing up with Webull. And if you put $100 in your account, they'll give you the second free stock. So at least get your free stocks and see what you get. And we have some affiliate links for all kind of goodies, flea medicine, discounts on Clorox, whatever. Just we're trying to help you save some money. And thank you for making the podcast a hit. And if you have any questions, just email us and, put your reviews down there, ask your question in the review, and let us know what stock you got. Thank you so much. Have a great day.